Hey guys, I've just collected the keys to this absolutely stunning two-bed luxury flat. In fact, I'm pretty sure this is overstacked. We're talking about all the modern appliances, really tastefully done. With the furniture and finishing. And actually, if you look, because this is always a bit of a scare, but look at that. Really clean fridges. I'm still pretty much amazed by this. I'm not going to say much. Everything's been redecorated, new carpets, new appliances. This comes exactly as is. And the best thing about this place also is that the light hits it really well. I think what time are we at? We're at what, 4 p.m. I think 4:30, maybe 5 now. That's the sort of lighting that you get in here. So it catches the sun really well. And obviously you've got all this glass and that maximizes it. And then you've got the park right in front. So we're in the Birmingham City Centre. That to me looks like a really good community. So you've got people playing sports, badminton, football, people riding bikes, kids riding bikes, people just sitting enjoying the sun. You get a real sense of community here. And it's very quiet as well. I'm actually just having a look around. Balcony, really large balcony space. Again, more of the, so this is obviously a big feature, but we're high enough, I think we're on the 4th floor, where we don't really get much of the noise or any noise at all. In fact, plenty of outdoor space, which is actually really important when you live in an apartment. I think that's, for me at least, that was always the main issue with living in apartments and flats, is that you don't have outdoor space, and that's got plenty, and also a lot of natural sunlight as well. And I know that for a lot of our clients, they express the same sort of thing. So they'll rent, our tenants will rent an apartment or a flat from us, and then eventually, when they, maybe they've got kids, maybe they want to start a family, or maybe they want to get a pet, they'll then they'll ask if we've got like a 2 or 3 bed house with a garden and parking and a drive. But this one actually has got plenty of outdoor space, which is really good. That's bedroom 1. So it's a 2-bath, so bedroom 1, and then you've got the big bathroom. Reality is, this is going to be the bathroom for that bedroom, unless you've got guests. Let's just don't use that as well. And then this is the 2nd bedroom. Again, plenty of storage, loads of lighting, everything. Imagine waking up to this every morning. That's a beautiful sight. And this has an ensuite. It's really quiet if you listen. That's really quiet. So it's come with an ensuite, and it's actually one of the best ensuites I've seen. So it's got a walk-in shower. Nice tiles. No signs of mold or damp anywhere, which is always good. Really good high quality stuff. Obviously new mattress cover, all that sort of stuff. I'm just having a look around myself, in fact. That's the front door. Yeah. So if you're interested in this flat, really high end, pretty much comes with everything, ready to move in. It comes with parking as well, sorry. Not that you need it in the city centre, but a lot of people do ask for it, because a lot of people work from home now, and then they'll just commute somewhere. If you're interested, let me know. Drop me a message. My name's Nguyen. We let him manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. That's really tastefully done. We develop properties as well for our clients, and we also let and manage singlets and HMOs, as I've said. Nice later. I think I'm going to pick up my son after some nursery, and then probably go out to the pub or the park somewhere. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See you.